gonna be starting to cut the avocado, and then you can help by putting it inside the blender. So what I want you to do, I want you to take pieces of the avocado like that and put it inside the blender. You can start. Nice.
Now the last one.
Try to get everything. And now the other one. Okay, the next thing is we're gonna need 2 bananas. The reason why we're using 2 bananas because they're so tiny.
Yeah.
But if you have big bananas, you can use just 1.
Yeah.
You're gonna peel them and add them inside the blender. Now we're adding strawberries. Four,
How much do we need?
6, and 7. 7, that's it, yeah. Lastly, we're gonna add some milk.